Hello, welcome to this video. I want to show you how to do a wiring connection between ESP32 and an epaper. I want to say here that I am not an expert to this topic. I am actually a newbie. This is the second time I am touching an ESP32, so don't expect something expert. It's just me showing you how to do the connection, because I was trying to find this information online. I was searching on YouTube and I couldn't find anything. The first time I actually destroyed ESP32, and this is the second time it actually worked. So yeah, this is the project that I made. It just shows me the balance that I have on my bank account. Here at the back I have the epaper hat and I also have the ESP32. I want to say that the ESP32 is the S3 Zero that I'm using because it was cheaper. It's small. I don't know why I thought I would need a small one, but anyway, it was cheaper. It has Wi-Fi, USB, Bluetooth, which I've never used. I mostly use the Wi-Fi and the USB. So let's do the wiring. Let me explain you how I did the wiring stuff. VCC connects to 3v3, GND connects to GND, DIN connects to 13, CLK connects to 11, CS connects to 10, DC connects to 9, RST connects to 8, BZ connects to 7, and PWR connects to 3v3. As for the button, one side connects to GND and the other side connects to pin 2.